Hi everyone. In today's video, I take up another important oral examination question as asked of shipmaster and chief officer candidates. The question is cite the circumstances in which class will be suspended of the vessel. Another way of understanding this question is when is a ship or a vessel suspended by the classification society? This means what are the circumstances under which the classification society will not want to be associated with the vessel anymore and they will disassociate with the vessel, remove its association from its vessel. So in today's video, I will explain the 5 circumstances in which this will happen. So as you see on your screens, these are examples of the classification societies. One of them is associated with the vessel right from the construction stage all the way till the time the vessel is operational. So the first circumstance in which the classification society will disassociate itself from the vessel is if your vessel or if you as the master do not complete the annual or intermediate or renewal surveys. So as you know, the vessel has to undergo certain annual, intermediate, renewal, periodic surveys, and if you do not complete them, then of course the classification society will consider that your ship is not seaworthy, it is not safe to be put out to sea for operations, and they will disassociate themselves from your vessel. The second circumstance is if condition of class is not rectified within the specified time limit. So I made a short video on condition of class and what it is, and I'm sure you've watched it. Otherwise, it's in the description section below. You can watch it later. But condition of class provides the vessel with a specified time period depending on the seriousness of defects to rectify the defects. If the vessel does not do so within the specified time period, then of course the classification society will not like to be associated with your vessel anymore. The third circumstance is if the ship owner fails to submit the ship to the surveys that are required in accordance to the legal requirements. So the vessel has to undergo surveys, and if your vessel or a ship owner is not supporting the vessel in putting the vessel through the surveys, not calling the surveys, not undergoing the surveys, whether it's a safety equipment, safety construction, radio equipment, there are so many surveys that the vessel has to undergo. If the vessel doesn't undergo those surveys and is not issued with a proper certification, then again the classification society will not associate themselves with the vessel. The fourth circumstance is if the renewal or special surveys are not satisfactorily completed by its due date. So again, you can see most of these requirements are regarding the surveys. So the first was annual or intermediate surveys not satisfactorily completed, or if the owner doesn't even submit the ship to the surveys, or if you have completed the annual or intermediate surveys and your owner has submitted the ship to surveys, but you are not carrying out the renewal or even the special surveys. So there could be some special surveys required by, let's say, P&I Club, or renewal surveys required to renew the certification, or maybe some major changes have been made in dry docks and your vessel needs to undergo those special surveys to ensure that certification is valid. If your vessel doesn't do so, then also classification society will disassociate themselves from your vessel. And finally, the last reason is that if the reported defects of the vessel are so serious that the ship is denied retention of class. So as you know, if your vessel is in operation, your vessel will undergo flag state inspections, post state inspections, other than all the surveys we have been talking about. And if under these surveys the defects that are found are so serious and they are reported to be so serious that your ship may be actually unseaworthy, not safe to be carried into the sea for operations, putting the lives of the people in danger, putting the cargo in danger, then of course the class will not like to be associated with you and they will remove their name from your vessel. And these are the 5 circumstances under which your vessel will be suspended by the classification society. So we call Classification Society class as a short form, as an acronym. So if you are asked this question in the exam, whether it's written exam or whether it's oral exam, these are the circumstances you have to mention to the surveyor, which will be good enough for you to pass the question. Thank you for watching today's video, and like I said before, I will keep taking up one question at a time and provide you with the answer as well, because this is the feedback I got from the students that providing the questions or the bank of questions itself is not good enough. I should probably take one question at a time and provide you with the detailed answer that can then be passed on to the surveyor by you, and that is what I am doing. So let me know whether you are happy with these kind of videos or whether you want something else. Thank you for watching today's video, and thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate all the feedback I get. Thank you for all the love. Bye for now.